Hey, welcome back to your favorite technical mathematics class. We're going to talk about reduction and conversion of units again. When you're talking about conversions, if you're going to be technical about the term, that's when you change from one system to another. So, like from metric to U.S. customary, traditional U.S. customary system. Whereas reductions are changing within a system. Now, we kind of get lax and just kind of use conversions to describe all that, but just so you're aware about that. And here's some reduction conversion factors. So we're going to continue on with this today. Let's start out with an example. How many millimeters are there in 54 centimeters? So first of all, the thing we have to know for every centimeter, it's 10 millimeters. So if you start out, so for this example, if we start out with 54 centimeters, we can convert that to millimeters. So times it by, for every 10 millimeters, it's 1 centimeter. Centimeters gone, 540 millimeters total. Okay. We go from miles to inches. We got 75 miles. I'm going to go to feet first, so we know that there's 5,280 feet for every mile. Miles are gone. Now we're in feet. And now we're going to go, since there's 12 inches for every foot, now we got our feet gone. So we multiply all those numerators, divide by the denominator, which the denominator is 1. And it looks like this is 4,752,000 inches when you plug that in. Okay, so that's how much 75 miles is in inches. Now here we got square feet. Square feet. So we have 7 feet times feet is square feet. All right, so we've got to take care of both of those. So we're going to multiply, well, we know there's 12 inches for every 1 foot. That takes care of one of those feet. Remember, feet times feet, square feet. We're going to take care of that other foot there. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 12 inches for every 1 foot. And there we've taken care of the other one. So now we got 7 times 12 there on the top. And it looks like we got 1,008 inches times inches, square inches. 1,008 square inches on that. Alright, how about 36 inches to centimeters? Well, we got to know first to even be able to do that, we need to know that for every inch it's 2.54 centimeters. For every inch it's 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so when we're converting this, so let's go ahead and take our 36 inches. We're going to multiply by for every 2.54 centimeters, it's an inch. And we've got our inches gone. So we got that 36 times 2.54 all over 1. That ends up being 91.44, it looks like, centimeters. Okay, about 3.7 miles to kilometers. Well, for this one, we need to know that there are 1.609 kilometers in a mile. That's what we need to know. So let's start out. We have 3.7 miles. That's a mile, miles. Come on, miles. Oh, that M, horrible. We multiply that by, times it by 1.609 kilometers per 1 mile. Miles are gone, so we got 3.7 times 1.69, all divided by 1, which ends up being 5.9533 kilometers. Oh, this one in kilometers. All right, how about miles per hour to feet per second? So we got 70. We're in miles per hour. We're going to go feet per second. So let's change the miles to feet. It's 5,280 feet in a mile. We're taking care of the miles. So now we're in feet on the top, hours on the bottom. We're in feet per hour. So we got to get those hours to seconds. Well, we know that for every hour, one hour, there's 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So the hour is gone there. Now we're in feet per minute. So we got to take care of our minute. For every 1 minute, there's 60 seconds. Minutes are gone. So now I multiply all the numerators. 70 times 5280 times 1 times 1. And let's see, that's 3,69600. Multiply the bottom and you get 1 times 1 times 60 times 60, you get 3,600. Remember, we're now in feet per second, which is what we wanted. Go ahead and do that division. We got 102.6, and this again is in feet. Oh, I'm running out of room. Per second. Feet per second on that. Okay, 102.6 repeated feet per second. All right, while driving in France, sales representative encounters a speed limit sign indicating 80 kilometers per hour. Convert that speed to miles per hour. So we're 80 kilometers per hour. The hour's okay, but we want the kilometers to be miles. We want miles per hour. Remember, there's 1.609 kilometers for every 1 mile. For every 1 mile. So we just gotta take care of the kilometers. For every 1 mile, there's 1.609 kilometers. Kilometers are gone, so we got 80 times 1, so we got an 80 on the top. We got the 1 times the 1.609, so 80 on the top, miles. 1.609 on the bottom. Remember hours. We go ahead and we do that division. We got 80. Let's see what that is. 49.72 miles per hour is what that is. So when you're going 80 kilometers an hour, that's the equivalent of 49.72 miles per hour. All right, how about this one? We're going to take a look at 575 grams per cubic centimeter. So we have centimeter times another centimeter and another centimeter. Grams per cubic centimeter. And we're going to multiply that by. Now we need to know, if we're going to change this to kilograms, kilo, 1,000, we need to know that there takes 1,000 grams to make 1 kilogram. We need to know that. And then we're also going from centimeters, we got to get it to cubic meters, right? Centi, 100. So it takes 100 centimeters to make up 1 meter. We need to know both of those there. 100 centimeters and a meter. So let's take care of our grams to kilograms. So we know there's, for every 1 kilogram, there's 1,000 grams. Now our grams are gone. Okay. Now we got to take care of, so now times, take care of the centimeters. For every 100 centimeter, it's 1 meter. That takes care of one of those. We got to take care of all 3 of those centimeters. So for 100 centimeters, it's 1 meter. And next centimeter is gone. One more time, 100 centimeters in every meter. The last centimeter is gone. So now we multiply the top, 575 times 1 times 100 times 100 times 100. And then divide by on the bottom. So that's 575 times 1 times 100. 100 times 100. And we're in kilograms on the top here. We can divide it by, notice on the bottom we got a 1 times 1,000 times 1 times 1 times 1. So we got 1,000 on the bottom, and this is cubic meters, meters. All right. And so that ends up being 575,000 kilograms per cubic meter. All right. So one more here. Let's take a look at pounds per square inch. So we have 62.8 pounds per square inch. So inch times inch. So we need to know that for a kilogram, it's 2.205. That's a 5. 2.205 pounds. Okay. And so that'll take care of our pounds. We're going to take our pounds to kilograms. Okay. And then those inches, square inches, we want to go to square meters, so that you got to also know that there's 39.37 inches in 1 meter. Okay, so let's take care of those pounds first. Get those to kilograms. So times it by, for every 1 kilogram, there's 2.205 pounds. So now pounds are gone. So now we're in kilograms per square inch on the bottom. Kilograms over inch times inch on the bottom. Let's take care of each of those inches. So there's 39.37 inches per 1 meter. One of those inches is gone. Do it again to take care of the other one. 39.37 inches per meter. That other inches are gone. So now I got 62.8 times 1 times 39.37 times 39.37, all divided by, and all I have on the bottom is 2.205. So it looks like this will be 44,145.036. That's 0.036 kilograms per square meter. All right, thanks for listening. See you soon.